Olingo bogu kana chuku kamiga tonanga na China.
Reason onye. Ite kenye mare parako.
Inani ina soncha wanemo iforingo na saderade.
Olingo bupe.
America nine, Europe nine, Lagos nine, Enugu nine, Akọtu nine, Ogun nine, Wọn na sọ Oringo na sọ, Oringo na warrior, Oringo na chunu hypertension. Every day I'm looking so fresh and young. What do I do?
I've been around.
I've seen you. I like your nails.
Wow, thank you.
So, where's your father?
My father, he went out.
Wow. So, we are all living in this house.
I've been alone.
That's
Baby,
cool.
you are looking too handsome.
Wow. So, what do you cook now?
I cooked nothing. I still want to cook something.
God, cook something for me now.
Alright.
Now, where don't go? Where do you? How old are you now?
That's my daddy's voice. My father is proud.
Hey, how old are you? Oh, yeah, tomorrow for evening, you go see for evening. You go see for evening. I dey come now. I dey come. Yes, I dey come. I dey come. I dey hungry. Hey. Abi.
Papa, good morning.
Hey, Abigiri, you don't cook.
No, Papa. I want to cook.
So when they do yes, no.
No, Papa, nothing.
No.
Welcome.
Oh no, what? I don't bring my food. I dey hungry. Don't bring my food, though.
Okay, Papa.
Hey, almost seen down the calo. Who don't say Biafra no go come? See her here. See her. Who don't say Biafra? Who don't say Biafra no go come? Who talk her? Who talk Biafra no go come? The person na winch. Don't say Biafra no go come. Any person wey talk am make as in if Biafra no come, make mpa my man. If Biafra no come, mpa my man. How Begeri?
Papa.
Have you finished fetching the water that I told you?
No, Papa.
Why?
Papa, I want to go.
Go to the what?
I want to go.
At the count of 10, Count of 10. 1.
Papa.
Come on, roll noise to stupid girl. Let's do this way in there. It's also my food. Eat every day. Can't check where you check. Now see Biafra, no. Biafra will call. I trust Biafra. Biafra must call. Come on, they do fast also.
Yes, Papa.
Since morning. They do fast.
Papa. We want Biafra.
So